Yo, what is going on, guys? So I just spent a few hours searching for a working method on how to get free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go, and I'm pleased to say I have found a method, guys, that's going to give you a ton of free coins. It's super easy and it uses a redeem code that's completely safe and of course 100% working. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get your free PokeCoins. You need to go to this website here, guys, topdogcodes.com. So topdogcodes.com. This website is awesome. You can see on this page there is tons of different sort of money-saving pages for pretty much everything. But basically, guys, we need to look for the Pokemon Go coins page. So if you go to the search bar here, you can literally just type in Pokemon and it should pop up Pokemon Go, free PokeCoins and more. So click on this page and it should open the page up. And scroll down. You can see there is a ton of these coupons left. And yeah, these coupons are pretty much unlimited from my experience. So you can see we have a 10,000 free PokeCoins promo code. There is also a Pokemon Go remote raid pass code for 20 of those, but we're interested obviously in the PokeCoins. So you click on Tro Code. And this was going to pop up here, basically confirms your choice. This is a 10,000 free PokeCoins promo code. And you can see, guys, it has the start of the code, but these stars have basically, it's blocked out the last remaining characters of the code. The reason it does this is basically it's just protects the codes. Top Dog Codes put in this process to unlock your code. Basically, guys, you can imagine people steal these codes at bulk, so they come on with a robot or a program, and they basically take all of the available codes. So this just stops that. So all you need to do, guys, is press unlock code and you're going to see a set of instructions on the next page. And it's pretty easy. So all you need to do is press that button, follow through the instructions, and you basically just need to complete a couple of free tasks. So let's do that. So this is going to pop up here, Pokemon Go Code Unlocker. And essentially, guys, we need to complete 2 of the tasks below. And you can see here I've got a list of tasks. These can range from answering some quick questions to just basically playing some free games. And they're all completely free. So, for example, you can see here, guys, is this Family Island one says download then complete level 8. So that's a free game where I need to download it. Alternatively, you can do different ones such as Shrell Town, or you've even got some surveys such as this one at the top. So all you need to do, guys, is basically select any 2 of these that you don't mind completing. They only take a few minutes. And yeah, so let me go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks. And for this one, I need to basically input an email address. So you got to make sure you put in valid information because this does basically verify you as a real person. So let me complete 2 of these and then I'll return once I've done them and we can see if it gives me my PokeCoins code. Okay, guys, so I just went ahead and completed 2 of these tasks on this page. So essentially, guys, I completed the one on the top where I just had to input my email and just answer some quick questions. Then I also downloaded this Family Island game and I had to play it until level 8. So that was pretty easy. Took me around 5 minutes. Oh, that's annoying having to do this, but yeah, we are getting a 10,000 PokeCoins code for this. So anyway, once you've fully completed 2 tasks on this page, you can now go ahead to press your tabs button. And if you've done everything correctly and you have fully completed 2 tasks on that page, you should see this tab pop up. If you don't see this tab, you may have done something wrong. So just go back and complete another one. But yeah, it should work if you fully complete 2. If not, do a 3rd, but it should work. Now, click on this tab that's shown up, and here we go. This is my 10,000 free PokeCoins code. So I can then go ahead and literally copy this, and I can enter this into the store on my Pokemon Go game app. And it's going to give me 10,000 PokeCoins, and then I can go ahead and spend them however I want. That is how easy this is, guys. You've got to go and get your own personal Pokemon Go PokeCoins code, so go to topdogcodes.com. And yeah, you should not have any issues. If you have any questions, you can, of course, leave a comment in the comment section below. Please like the video. And I'm going to be making more videos like this, so yeah, keep your eyes peeled and enjoy your free Pokemon Go coins.